Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 2 subject EVS lesson number 6 plants around us. Today we will start with plants around us. We see different kinds of plants all around us. Some plants are big and some are small. Let us know about different plants. As you know that we will see different kinds of plants all around us, right? Near home, near school, wherever we will go, we will see different kinds of plants. And some plants we will see like big, and some plants are very small. Let me see what are they. Trees. Very big plants are called trees. They are very big plants. What we call them? Trees. They have hardwood stem called trunk. They have very hardwood stem. We called it as trunk. Trees live for many years. The trees are lives so many years. Many years they will live. These are the trees. Can you see this picture? This is the mango tree, gulmohar, pine and ashoka tree. These are the very big trees. The trees live for many years. Shrubs. Shrubs are shorter and smaller than the trees. They are bushy plants with thin brown stems. They live for a few years. These are the shrubs, right? These are the very shorter and smaller than the trees. They are bushy plants. They have very bushy plants and very thin brown stem. These are the stems, right? They are very thin. They live for only few years. Can you see this picture? This is the cotton, rose, bougainvillea. This is the plants. These are the shrub plants. They will smaller than they are very shorter and smaller than the trees. They are very bushy. This is very thin. They live for few years. Bougainvillea. These are the cotton, rose, bougainvillea. See here, these are the shrubs, these are the big trees. Now we move to herbs. We have learned the shrubs, now we are going to move herbs. Herbs are very small plants and they live only for 1 or 2 seasons. See, the herbs trees they will live only 1 or 2 seasons. They have thin, soft and green stems. They have very thin and soft green stems. Have you seen this picture? You will see the picture, you will understand which are the herbs, right? These are the shrubs. They have very thin brown stems. Okay, these are the herbs. They have very thin. They come only 1 or 2 seasons. They have very thin and soft green stems. Mint, tulsi, Spanish. These are the herbs. Banana plants is not a tree. It is a herb. Banana plant is not a tree. We call that herb. Climbers. Let me see the climbers. Climber means what? Climbers are weak plants that cannot stand on their own. The climbers is very weak. See, can you see this picture? These are the very weak plants. They cannot stand on their own. They take the support of another plant or wall to climb up. Have you seen money plant and all? They're very weak. They can't stand their own. So what they will do? We have to climb this one. Another plant or wall to climb up. We have to climb up. This pear plant, grapevine. Okay, this is the pear plant and grapevine. They take the support of the another plant or wall, or we have to climb up. Near your neighbors, otherwise seen at home you have means you will understand how they will climb up to the wall, or they have to support with that. Okay. Creepers. Creepers means what? Let me see. Some plants have very weak stems that cannot climb even with a support. They creep on the ground. Such plants are called creepers. See, this is the creeper. Some plants they are very weak. They can't climb even also without any support. They creep on the ground itself. Have you seen watermelon, pumpkin? Right, this is the they can't climb even with the support. Such plants are called creepers. Watermelon and pumpkin. Have you understand? This is the herbs. Herbs means they come 1 or 2 seasons, have a thin and soft green stems, mint, tulsi and Spanish. Okay, this is a climbers. Very weak plant. They cannot stand with their own. They have to take the support with another plant and they have to climb up. This is the creepers. The some plants are very weak, without stems, without support. This also, even with the support, they can't stand also. Such plants are called as creepers, like watermelon and pumpkin. See, one activity is there you have to do with your own. Find out 2 examples for the following: herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers and creepers. You have to write, you have to find out 2 examples, this, and you have to write this one. Parts of the plant. Let me see what are the parts of the plant. See here. This is the plant. Flower, bud, leaf, branch, fruit, stem and roots. This is the parts of the plants. We have already studied about the parts of a plant, right? Have you studied? Right. Can you recognize the different parts of the plant? You have to recognize of the different parts of a plant. You have to write. Dash make the food for the plant. Dash are the underground part of the plant. Dash carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Dash are the attractive part of a plant. Dash are fleshy part of a plant. Dash bear flowers, leaves and fruits. The earliest stage of flower is called dash. You have to write this. As you know that the parts of the plant, you have to write this. You have to do this activity. Here, uses of plants. What are the uses of plants? Plants are very useful to us, right? This is a very important. Plants are very useful to us. We get most of our food from plants. We get food grains such as cereals and pulses, fruits and vegetables, oils and spices from the plants. As you know, where we get the food? We get the food from the plants, right? Food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, we get from the plants. This is the uses of plants. Plants are very